I've been getting here early in the morning, 3:30 to 4 every morning. We try to get through with the pies early so I can get out of the way of all the people that have to come in and prepare for lunch and breakfast. And now the ovens are going to be there for their use after we finish the pies. Go ahead and distribute it. Yeah, that one for sure. Cleveland's been here for several years, like over 20 years. And I started teaching him a couple of years ago that in case anything happened to me, that he could take over and make pies. I want to make sure it's done a certain way, and he knows that, and he does it more meticulous than I do.
Well, working for Mike when I had just turned 17, and I'm 52 now. And I left and did some other jobs, and I ended up back here because I enjoyed working for Mike so much. Being around him so long, it's kind of hard to let go, some things, especially me, being around him so long, he's really taken me under his wing and taught me everything I know pretty much in life.
I've done it so long that it's pretty hard to give it all up at one time here, but I know it's time. I'm over the hill now, and I'm ready to do a little traveling. We'll probably stay in Texas and travel to different places in Texas. There's a lot of places I haven't seen, and my wife is ready to go do things.